This message is brought to you in part by the Flat Earth Society. Research Flat Earth. Don't be a globetard. There are many different models of the flat Earth, unlike the globalists who only have one model. This proves they are not as open-minded as we are, and are therefore biased in their opinion about the shape of the Earth. For this video we will be discussing a model that was introduced in 1893 by Orlando Ferguson. He states in his book, as well as on his popular illustration, that this is the model described by the most reliable source of information in the world, the Bible. Orlando created an illustration of what he thinks the Earth truly looks like based off of descriptions from 400 verses in the Bible. For example, according to Revelation 7:1, after this I saw 4 angels standing at the 4 corners of the earth. In 1 Chronicles 16:30, he has fixed the earth firm and immovable. This confirms the earth does not revolve around the sun. In Daniel 4:10-11, the king saw a tree of great height at the center of the earth, reaching with its top to the sky, and visible to the earth's farthest bounds. This would be impossible to witness if the earth were spherical, as the tree could only be visible from the whole earth if the earth was flat. Also, in Isaiah chapter 29, there is an awful lot of stuff about there being an apocalypse for globetards. I can't wait for that to finally happen. Like most flat Earth models, the world is surrounded by a wall of ice, much of it being protected by the combined forces of the Danish and Australian Navy. But as you can see, there are 3 major differences between the common pizza model and Ferguson's biblical flat Earth model. Ferguson's model shows the base of the earth as square and having corners, and only infidels make square-shaped pizzas. His model also shows the sun, moon, and some other round thing being attached to an arm with a space planet at the North Pole. Is this the tree that the Bible was speaking of? You may not have noticed already that this model isn't even flat. It is domed in the center, with the equator at the lowest point, and the rims of the southern hemisphere rising to later form the ice wall. This is the biggest issue the Flat Earth Society has with this model, because we do not believe in gravity. So if this model were real, we would be side-hilling all the time, and rolling off into the oceans. I hope you enjoyed part 1 of our brief summary of this flat Earth model.